This boy want to collect that the egg from you.
Sure.
He want to collect it from you. See him mouth. See him mouth. Hey. I don't go one grandfather. Baby Rain.
Take him now.
You want drag him from your hand though.
You want come out and take him like grab him.
Do you want to eat garden egg? Ah, this one open mouth. Oh. Babe. You get in your brain now.
Since yesterday.
Make man small.
You know go do a minute, Mba.
See him mouth.
Say he don't bring out this hand.
Hold your this thing, oh, your necklace. If not, I think go drag him.
Game don't start.
This boy just want to start eating everything. He want to start eating everything. He cannot wait. He won't put them for mouth, oh. Hey, Baby Rain.
Yes.
Not only milk be your food now. Leave adult food.
He don't know how to put them for mouth.
Leave adult food now.
He don't colonize this one. You hold him tight too. You know this? You hold him tight. Give me my garden egg, Oga.
I don't want chop adult food now.
You don't know how to put them for mouth.
Narian, I'm telling you. Oh, more inside his mouth. You don't even get it. You don't even get it. Now you want to eat garden egg. What's it be your own?
Instead of eating the garden egg, they eat in hand like welcome.
The brain just want to eat everything. You see, be small picking, no.
My father knows the cost.
Him be small picking.
Now my father be.
And so,
Pascal.
how old in they? How old in they?
60 something years. Forget this in the way this yo. Now my father be this yo. Oh, daughter.
That's not daughter.
You won't come out from my hand. Take.
The boy they look for him now. Not be your hand if you got the egg now. You got the egg. If they find me, I got the egg.
He dey confused. I see when I'm eating saying hand now go turn to garden egg. See, I see they waste my garden egg for me. Give me. Okay, give me.
Oh, this boy cannot wait to start eating food. I'm telling you. Like anything now when you bring now inside your mouth straight. Not be Jesus. Not be your hand if you got the egg now. Eat got the egg, leave your hand.
It is not they get it now in this.
Leave your hand, eat got the egg, Oga.
For a man now, I get the egg in it. Baba.
That was when I want to see.
It is when I get the egg in the eat. You know when I am in the sack. Grandpapa run. It's okay.
He's very busy.
To even leave my hand.
Very busy.
Even leave my. If they drag me, come back.
You know what at all. Don't be your hand bigger than egg now, baby. Come on here for your mouth, I beg.
They don't do that
now. You need to look for them. Eh?
Well.
You gonna look at the air and put her for your mouth.